Sense of the situation on the ground as far as Mumbai is concerned. It's been raining overnight. We're talking about the Colaba area that's received the highest amount as far as rainfall is concerned, 88.2 millimeters, followed by Bandra, almost 82 millimeters as well, by Baikulabad 73 millimeters. And then we also have adjoining areas where it's not just Mumbai but also Thane, Pune. All areas are coming under the impact of this weather system. The Met Office has issued an orange category warning. My colleague Paras has the details.
Yes, so in Mumbai, it's the story of every year when rain occurs, when rain comes, this type of situation occur, waterlogging take place everywhere in Mumbai, especially at the low-lying areas. We are at the King Circle and this is a very place where every year same story repeats. This is the situation right now. There is a traffic jam due to waterlogging. You can see Mumbai police is also present at the situation. They are trying to clear the traffic over here, but a few minutes ago there was no rain and again rain has started. We have been reporting continuously that there are very heavy rains in Mumbai from last few hours, but before half an hour rain was completely stopped, but now it has started raining again and it is raining very heavily. This waterlogging has took place at King Circle and you can see the situation. All the vehicles are going from the waters where waterlogging has taken place, and this is a very busy area where every day lakhs of commuters travel to their workplaces, and you can see the main bridge of this King Circle where a traffic jam has occurred. This is a normal situation. Every day this type of traffic occurs, but today the traffic conditions are more worse because of the waterlogging which has taken place at this very King Circle, and for a few hours the situation will be very much difficult for Mumbai, Palghar, Thane and Raigad because weather department has issued an orange alert throughout the day for this particular places.